Hey, once again, welcome back everyone to this channel, and here are some of the things we went through last week. In the last video, square root, cube root, mental estimation, and how to use calculator to calculate all the square root, cube root. You may refer back to the last video for all this chapter 1 part 2. Today our agenda is to go through chapter 1 part 3 on lowest common factor and highest common factor, how to find highest common factor, and also lowest common multiple. Okay, so what are factors? So factors, let's say for example you have a number 4. Okay, so its factor will be, because 1 times 4 equal to 4, so the 2 times 2 equal to 4. Okay, so factors of 4 is 1, 2, and 4. Okay, so factors of 10 will be 1, 2, 5, and 10. Something like that. Okay, so these are factors. So multiples, let's say for example you have a number 2. Okay, you have a number 2. 4 is a multiple of 2. 6 is a multiple of 2. 8 is a multiple of 2. These are what we call multiples. Okay, so today we will learn how to use prime factorization to find out the highest common factor as well as the lowest common multiple between numbers. Okay, different numbers. Okay, so here I have 2 examples. Okay, so how do we find out the highest common factor, okay, for these 2 examples? Okay, so before we need to do this, right, we need to learn how to do prime factorization. So let's recap, how do we do prime factorization? Okay, so we have 504 and also 588. Okay, so first we do prime factorization for 504. So first we divide 504 divide by 2, so we have 257. Okay, is it correct? No, 252, sorry, 252, yes, 252. Then we divide by 2 again, so we 126. Okay, then we divide by 2 again, it will be 63. 63. 7 times 9 is 63, so we have 7, we have 9, then we have 3, we have 3, we have 3, and 1. Okay, so when it comes down to 1, then you will end there. Okay, so we will write 502 in its prime factors. Sorry, 504. Okay, so we will write 504 in its prime factors. Okay, equal to how many 2? So 3 2, so 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2 times 7. Okay, so that's for 504. So you just write it here, over here. So okay, start. Okay, never mind, let me check. Okay, 504 equal to 3 to the power 2 times, sorry, not 3 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2 times 7. Okay, so now we do for 588. Okay, so again 2, so we have 294. Okay, so we divide by 2 again, so 147 by 7, so it will be 21. Divide by 7 again, we have 3, so divide by 3, we have 1. Okay, so 588, I'll just write it over here lah, easier to refer. 588 equal to 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 2, 3, then times 7 power 2. Okay, so you copy this over here. So 504 equal to 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2 times 7, and 588 equal to 2 to the power 3 times 3 times 7 power 2. Okay, so how do we find the lowest common factor? Okay, so in order for us to find the lowest common factor, right, we will take all the, okay, so let's say for example we have 2 to the power 3 here and 2 to the power 2 at the bottom. So which power is bigger? 2 to the power 3, correct? So we will take this for their we are looking for factors. So for factors, right, we need to find the common factor that appears in these two prime factorization. So in these two, right, we have 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2. So the common one which appear in both is 2 to the power 2. So cos 2 to the power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, and 2 to the power 2 is 2 times 2. So this portion appears in both, so which means that the first HCF, right, first part of the HCF will be 2 to the power 2. We will take the lowest power. So again, 3 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 2, you take the lower power, which is 3. 7 to the power 1 and 7 to the power 2, you take the lowest power, which is 7. So the HCF will be equal to 2 square, which is 4. 4 times 3, 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 7, 84. So HCF will be 84. Highest common factor for these two numbers will be 84. So do a quick check on your calculator. You should get this answer. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that HCF for this pair will be equal to 84. Okay. So let's try the other example. Okay, 90, 135 and 270. So again we do prime factorization. 90 we divide by 2, and 45 divide by 5, we have 9. So divide by 3 and divide by 3 again. So 90 equal to 2 times 3 square times 5. Okay, simple. Okay, so that's prime factorization. So then next will be 135 will be 5. Okay, so 5 is 2, 7, 3, 9, 3, 3, 3 and 1. Okay, so 135 equal to 3 to the power 3 times 5. Okay, then we have 270. 270 again, so divide by 2 is 135. Oh, okay, so we have again repeat the 75, then we have 27, then we have 3, 9, and 3 again. Okay, so 270 equal to 2 times 3 cubed times 5. Okay, so looking at this 3, we have 90 equal to 2 times 3 square is 5, and we have 135 equal to 3 cubed times 5, and we have 270 equal to 2 times 3 cubed times 5. Okay, again we pick the highest power for the common multiples. Okay, so we pick the highest power. Sorry, my bad. We pick the lowest power. Okay, for HCF is the lowest power, so we pick the lowest power. So this is power 2, power 1. Here don't have 2, so for the HCF, we will not have the 2. Okay, then we have 3 square, 3 cube, and 3 cube. So we choose the smallest one, which will be 3 square, and then all have 5, so it will be times 5. So it's 3 square times 5, which is 45. So the HCF over here go to 45. Okay, so another way how other people find HCF, right? There's another way to do this. Let's, for example, 504 and 588. Okay, so there are some people do it this way. Okay, they divide both together using a same prime factor. So let's say for example 2. Okay, so this is 252. Okay, so it's 294. Okay, both is still able to divide by 2. Okay, so it will be 146. Sorry, not 146. 126, and here will be 147. Okay, so see if there's anything else can divide. Okay, divide by let's say 3. So this 42, and this is 49. Okay, then divide by 7 together. So this is 6, and this is 7. Okay, yeah, correct. Okay, so once they cannot be prime factorized anymore, let's say there's no more number that they can factorize, so the highest common factor, right, will be all these factors times together. So it will be HCF equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. Okay, will be equal to 4 times 3, 12 times 7, 84. Okay, you will get the same answer. Some people do it this way. Okay, okay, so that's for the highest common factor part. For me personally, I will prefer doing this as well, this part. Okay, for using this method, it will be a lot easier.